everyone, welcome back to my channel Scots and Style. This is Manjushri. First of all, wishing you all a very happy new year. So today's haul is a Nykaa haul from Nykaa's Pink Friday sale, which was in the last week of November. Now I'm a bit late in uploading this video because I was traveling in the week of December. So now I got amazing discounts on few of their products and I did some amazing purchases from Nykaa. So let me share with you all the things that I got. Now the first product is Nykaa's latest launch, which is the Nykaa's Wanderlust deodorant, and this is in the variant Mediterranean Sea Salt. First of all, the packaging is really beautiful. It's a mint blue color can with floral prints. Now coming to the fragrance, it has a beautiful aqua fragrance. It smells like shower gels and soaps, not in a bad way, but in a good way. So if you're somebody who works out a lot, you will definitely love this because it has a very refreshing smell. And if you are traveling, definitely go for this. This will keep you fresh throughout. And durability, it lasts for around 3 to 4 hours. After that, you'll need a touch up. If you are somebody who is in those shower gel kind of smells, you will definitely love this. And the price of this one is 279 and I got it on sale for rupees 209. Now the second product that I purchased is the PAC HD Liquid Foundation. Now this is in the number 3.0. Earlier I was using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I have also used the foundations by L'Oreal, but so far I love this one over all those products that I have used in the past. I have also used Sephora's foundation, but this is something which really suits my skin. Now this is a perfect foundation for people like my skin tone. This is a full coverage foundation and it's an HD foundation, and this one has never failed me. Like all my pictures look really good whenever I applied this foundation. I've stopped using BB cream, CC creams and all that. I just use a moisturizer and I apply my foundation wherever I go out. Now the price of this one is 875 and I got it on discount for rupees 788. Now my next purchase are these beauties from K Beauty. Now, I was a little skeptical in buying K-Beauty products because they are a little expensive, but because of the sale, it was quite affordable to buy them. So I picked up this K-Beauty Chisel Star Contour Stick. Now this says that it's enriched with marula oil and vitamin C, which are really good for your skin. Now there are two reasons why I purchased this. First of all, it's very handy. You can keep it in your bag. It comes in the form of a pencil and you can use it as a contour or as an eyeshadow. So let me show you how this one works.
The stick glides very smoothly on the skin and it's very easy to blend. I'm just blending it with my fingers, and once I blend it properly, I'm just gonna set it with some loose powder. And that's it. That's how easy it is to apply.
And this one costed me rupees 479 after sale. The next products are the nail paints from Calabar. These are from their Artifacts range. Now this one is the shade Chrome Sky. This is a nice silver grey color with a tint of blue in it. And this one is called Bronze Beam. This is a chocolatey bronze shade with a lot of glitter particles in it, which are golden in color. Both these colors are really beautiful colors and appropriate for the festive season. They are available for 199 each, but during the sale I got them for 139 each. My next purchase was these Purna gummies. Now these Purna gummies are vitamin C gummies. Let me show you the bottle. Now this is in the flavor orange. This is how the gummy looks. Now each gummy is 2.5 grams and every gummy consists of 30 mg of vitamin C. Now vitamin C is very important to be included in our daily diet. So it's very important to consume some form of vitamin C in our diet on a daily basis. So that's why I recommend buying vitamin C gummies or vitamin C tablets. And these are really good, and it comes with a calendar. So basically this is a 30-day calendar, and whenever you consume your daily dose of vitamin C, you can basically take these stickers out, peel them and put them on the calendar for that day. When you track on a regular basis, it becomes quite easy, and it becomes like your daily routine to consume one tablet every day. So I think these are really helpful. So if you're looking for an affordable gummy, you can definitely go for these gummies. And the price of this one is rupees 399, but during the sale I got it for rupees 299. Moving to the next product, the next one is the Maybelline Fit Me Compact, and this is in the number 310, which is called Sun Beige. Now this is a medium coverage compact, and trust me, this is my third or fourth purchase. I've used other compacts also in between, but then I feel this one is very light on skin. It does not make your face cakey. It gives me a nice matte finish. So if you're looking for a budget friendly compact, you can definitely go for this one. The price of this one is rupees 599, but during the sale I got it for rupees 479. Next one is the Maybelline Color Sensational Nude Matte Lipstick. Now this is in the variant 657. This shade is called Nude Nuance. Now you must have seen this lipstick being applied by a lot of celebrities. This is how the shade looks. It's a nice rosy nude shade. So if you have a dusky skin tone like mine, you will definitely need to apply a lip liner of a darker shade. So I did apply this lipstick just some time back, and I outlined it with a brown color lip liner. Let me swatch it for you. Now coming to the formula, the texture is very creamy, it's very soft, and definitely it's matte, but it's not transfer proof. So if you're looking for a lipstick for winters, you can definitely go for this creamy matte lipstick range. And this one is priced for rupees 299, and during the sale I got it for rupees 224, which is even cheaper than Amazon. The next product is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. So this is again a very small and travel friendly size. Now the best thing about this particular concealer is that it comes with a buff. So you don't need a separate cushion or a separate sponge for concealing this. The product comes out of this. You just have to move it a bit like this, and the product starts coming out. Just have to keep moving it, and you see that the product is coming out, and you can smudge it using the same brush. And once that's done, you just have to take the compact and slightly. So you see that it's so easy to apply, and this one is the shade number 144 Caramel, and the price of this one is rupees 620, but on the sale I got it for rupees 434 only. Now the last product in this haul is the K-Beauty eyeshadow. Now this is a metallic eyeshadow, and this one is called Starry Night. Now this one is again enriched with ceramide and macadamia oil. Now let me show you how the product looks. This is again in the form of a pencil. Now I told you that the K-Beauty products are very travel friendly, very compact and easy to carry. So this is the reason why I purchased this one. And I like pencil kind of, crayon kind of eyeliners or eyeshadows because they are very easy to apply. You can apply them anywhere, even without a mirror. So I like this one, and let me swatch it for you. It's very creamy, and you see the pigments. The pigments are really good. It's highly pigmented. Now this is again waterproof, this is smudge proof, this is a cruelty free and vegan product. Now this one was quite expensive initially. This one was available for 599, but I got it on sale for rupees 479. So a lot of products were available for cheap and heavy discounts during this sale, and I really wanted to buy a lot of things, but they were already out of stock, like the Huda Beauty Emerald palette and the blue eyeshadow palette. But never mind, I'm hoping Nykaa to have a sale very soon. And yeah, I have already started using these products, and I do not regret buying any of these. And I think my package arrived around the first week of December, and it's been more than 15 days that I'm using these. So that's it guys. These are all the products that I purchased from Nykaa this time, and wishing you all a very happy new year. Hope this new year brings a lot of joy and happiness into your life. And I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do let me know in the comments. And do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Stay blessed. See you soon in my next video. Bye-bye.